Hi guys, Jasmine here, and I had to come and do a quick review. I am actually one of the authors from the book called The Ultimate Hustler, and I just want to just quickly shout out Taurea for putting together such an amazing program. It was really dope. It was really easy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm in a hotel right now because I'm actually a flight attendant, so I move around a lot. My life is pretty busy. My life is very flexible, so to be able to put out my second book as a co-author with this book was very smooth, very easy. You guys, I really only had to show up really like maybe once or twice for a call. That was just to get the book done and get the speaking part done. The actual event day was amazing. I really have to thank Taurea for truly being able to allow me to be on stage because it really meant a lot to me. The whole process was amazing, and just being able to gain so much information that day was dope. So I would definitely consider doing the co-author book with you again.